Hi, welcome to Faceplant. I'm Jimmy Kelly, and today we're going to be making zucchini hummus. Now, why zucchini hummus? Zucchini has only about 19 calories per cup, whereas garbanzo beans is about 269. You're also using a raw vegetable instead of something cooked in, that came from a can with the salt and whatnot. Now, I like it because it's easy and cheap. I mean, that's me, and really you can sauce it up any way you want. I use a few cloves of garlic. I put cilantro and everything, about a quarter cup. And then you gotta have some spice, so I put a red pepper in there as well. Really up to you. And you really only need like about one zucchini to make about a cup and a half worth of zucchini chunk. Now I know some of you might get discouraged that you don't have the knife handling skills like me, but you don't have a handmade custom knife by Goya Kenny who made this for me. And anyway, at the end of the day, you're gonna pop this in the food processor. I think if your vegetable parts are chopped randomly and discordantly and like garbage, then once you blend them, they taste better. And now to the main ingredients. All you need is about 2 tablespoons of cumin, some salt, a regular size zucchini, and tahini sauce, which is sesame paste, which tastes like peanut butter. After you get those all situated, it's time to get them ready for the blending process. Words of advice: never buy a 3-cup food processor because it's way too small. Make sure to precisionally layer your ingredients, as it will make the hummus taste better. And then you're going to add some real lemon juice or real lemon juice with other ingredients from concentrate. About 4 tablespoons, which is 2 shot glasses if you didn't know. And the last ingredient is tahini, which really makes hummus taste like hummus. It makes the zucchini hummus taste just like regular hummus. And so you want to put in about 2/3 a cup and finish it off and then blend it up. Going back to the size of your food processor, I said this one's about 3 cups and resembles more of a kitchen toy than an actual food processor, but for right now it works. And in the mix you can see the cilantro, which adds some color to it, as well as red peppers. And after you're done blending for a while, making sure it's smooth and consistent, pour it out into your favorite container. And look at that. I bet you can't wait to stick your vegetable stick right in there. And basically you're done. All you gotta do is pound it out on the countertop a little bit to get the air out of there. Cover it up and then put it in the fridge. It'll thicken up, and there you have zucchini hummus.